In this video, I will show you how to add a subscribe button to your video on YouTube. So let's get straight into it. So by adding a subscribe button, you're actually going to increase your conversion rates for subscribers. It's actually a very recommended thing to do. So the subscribe button, you can actually have a normal subscribe button, or you can put something like your logo. And you can see on one of my videos, I've actually got this here. So it's down here in the bottom right hand corner. And when you hover over, it gives you the option to subscribe to the channel. So this is a very handy little feature to do, and it's very easy to set up. So what you want to do is make sure you're logged into your YouTube account, and then you want to click onto your profile icon up in the top right hand corner, and then come down and click onto YouTube Studio. So once you get to your studio, what you're going to do is come to this menu on the left hand side, and you just want to scroll down until you get to the customization option down here, and then just go ahead and give that a click. So that's going to take you across to a page that is going to look similar to this, and you'll see three options at the top. We've got layout, branding and basic info. What you're going to want to do is click onto the branding option. And then you just want to scroll down just a bit until you get to this part which says video watermark. And what you want to do is you can choose when to display this. You've got end of video, custom start time, or the entire video. Obviously, I'd recommend doing it for the entire video, as it does obviously improve your chances of getting more subscribers. And if you haven't added one, then this isn't going to say change, it's actually going to say add or remove. But because I've got one, it says change. So you just come and click the change or add button down here. And what it's going to do, basically take you to your downloads. So you want to make sure you've got something ready, downloaded. And then all you would do is simply go ahead and choose the subscribe button. And you can just crop it to obviously fit your preferences, and then click done. And what's going to happen, that's going to go ahead and add that to your videos. So it does need to be a certain size and pixel size. It doesn't actually say on here, but there is a certain size. Obviously, if it's not within the specified size, then what's going to happen, YouTube's not going to allow you to do it. So you just want to make sure that it does meet the requirements set out by YouTube. Once you've added that, make sure to click the publish button up in the top right hand corner just to save any changes. And once that's been confirmed, you'll see a pop-up at the bottom which says changes published, and you can go straight to your channel, and any videos now will have that displayed. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, then be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And if you are looking for more tutorials, tips and tricks for YouTube, then be sure to click the on-screen prompt, and that's going to take you across to a current playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for YouTube. So I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching this video, and with that being said, I will see you in the next one.